So you did it. You hit an 850 credit score, the highest score possible. So now what happens? Does your phone start ringing with these VIP offers? Do banks roll out the red carpet? Does Dave Ramsey personally show up to congratulate you? Well, not exactly. But a recent article says hitting a perfect score is cool, but it doesn't actually do much. So today, we're actually going to break down what a perfect 850 really unlocks and what it doesn't, and why focusing on credit perfection can distract you from the financial moves that actually build wealth. Let's jump in. According to the article, once you hit excellent credit, there's almost no difference between an 850 and anything 800 plus. In fact, anything in the excellent range gets you the same perks. You'll get higher credit limits, which means that lenders are more generous because you've proven you're low risk. And higher limits equal lower utilization, which will help you keep your score high. You'll get the best loan rates on mortgages, on auto loans, on personal loans. You'll get really the top interest rates available, which just means if you have an 810, you're getting the same deal as someone with an 850. You'll get negotiating power. Now this part's important. When your credit is excellent, lenders want you. You can negotiate, you can get lower APRs, you can waive your annual fees, you can get better loan terms. So yes, excellent credit does matter, but the article makes one thing very clear. There's no special benefit for hitting 850 specifically. 800 plus and 850 are basically identical in the real world. So does 850 even matter? The article's answer is pretty simple. No, not really. A perfect score looks nice, it feels nice, it's fun to screenshot and show your spouse, but practically a 740 plus score already unlocks most top tier credit cards and loan offers. An 800 plus score unlocks every top tier offer. You're not getting cheaper interest, you're not getting special credit cards, and lenders aren't throwing confetti on your lawn at midnight. Plus, your score fluctuates constantly when balances change, when you get a new card, when you get a hard inquiry, right? So chasing perfection becomes this never-ending game. The article says, don't obsess over perfection. Focus on what matters. And so for us, why don't we take time in this video to talk about what actually matters? According to the article, here are the habits that build excellent credit, even if you've never hit 850. The first, pay on time, and that is every single month. That's actually the biggest factor in your credit score. Be consistent, use reminders, use auto pay. If you're an iPhone user like I am, that Apple Reminders app can come in real handy for this. Number two, keep your utilization low. Ideally, you want to use under 10% of your limit, which means if you've got a $10,000 credit limit, try to stay under $1,000. Three, avoid too many new credit applications. Hard inquiries temporarily drop your score. So you've got to space out new accounts. And then number four, you've got to keep old accounts open because age matters. Your oldest card is actually helping you. Number five, check your credit reports often. Errors are actually super common and they can tank your score. Annualcreditreport.com gives you free reports. And if you do these 5 things altogether consistently, you'll naturally end up in very good or excellent range. There's no really credit score hacks, no magic, it's just habits. Now, here's where I'm gonna add something that the article doesn't say. A perfect credit score does not make you wealthy. It doesn't build assets. It does not guarantee financial freedom. It does not generate cash flow. And it doesn't protect you from taxes, from inflation, or from emergencies. Credit scores basically tell the world, I borrow money responsibly, but that's it. But here's what wealthy families actually do. They use great credit as a tool, not a destination. And that's where the infinite banking concept can also come in. When your credit's excellent, you have more flexibility. You've got more borrowing options. You've got a stronger financial foundation, but the real power comes when you stop depending on outside lenders and build your own private banking system inside a properly designed whole life policy. You'll grow cash value every year, and it's guaranteed. You can borrow against your policy without affecting your credit. Your policy loan does not show up on your credit report. You control repayment. Your cash keeps compounding, even when you access cash value. People with strong credit and strong financial discipline often thrive with the infinite banking concept because they've already understand leverage. They understand consistency. They understand thinking long term. So instead of chasing an 850, you should chase control, chase liquidity, chase a system that pays you, not banks, because that's where generational wealth starts. So what happens when you hit an 850 credit score? Honestly, not much. But if you build the right habits, you'll be in the top tier anyway. And then it becomes about what you do with your financial foundation. My recommendation? Build assets. Build systems, build income, and build a life you control. If you want to explore how the infinite banking concept fits into that picture, or you want to build a financial system that gives you flexibility, guaranteed growth, and long-term peace of mind, then click the link below in the description of this video. You can schedule a free call with myself or one of the other people on our team, and we'll walk you through how to put your money to work the way the wealthy families do, with or without a perfect credit score. I'm Jonah Du. Thanks for watching. And remember, credit helps you borrow, but a system helps you build wealth.
Gave a lot of game, we never got a lot of things. Bow your head and say the prayer, we taught you how to be the bank.